Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Culture. Today, we're riding into the future with an exclusive look at the 2026 Italika Modena 175cc, a scouter-style scooter that's turning heads with its blend of elegance, tech, and practicality. The Modena 175 stands out with its refined, Vespa-inspired silhouette, a step-through frame, smooth curves, and bold detailing. It's clear Italika designed this ride to bring urban sophistication to your daily commute. What really sets the Modena apart is its tech. Italika has packed it with an integrated GPS module right in the front fairing. Yes, built-in navigation, no extra gadgets required. It feels like your smartphone got built into your bike. Flip your gaze to the instrument cluster. It's analog, just like a classic, but with clean and intuitive layout, speedometer, fuel gauge, and all the essentials. Underneath the retro charm lives a modern engine, a 175cc motor tuned for city agility. You're getting smooth acceleration, nimble handling, and a top speed that hovers around 105 km/h, perfect for darting through urban lanes or cruising on the boulevard. Let's talk comfort. Wide, cushioned seat, easy step-through access, stylish alloy wheels, and a low center of gravity all make this scooter really rider-friendly. Bold paint and trim options add flair that matches your personality. Now, what's the damage? Italika's launch price in Mexico is just 27,999 pesos. That's under $1,500 USD, depending on the exchange rate. For a tech-rich, 175cc scooter with GPS built in, that's a seriously compelling value. It's not just about specs, it's about what the Modena 175 means for you. A versatile urban commuter that blends classic style with connected smart features. Whether you're zipping between errands or sipping coffee by the park, it's efficient, stylish, and fuss-free. On the road, it's smooth and quiet. The 175cc power plant delivers enough pep without boiling your helmet off. That wraps our tour of the 2026 Italika Modena 175cc, a modern classic with smart features that just make sense. If you love this look, smash that like button, drop us a comment on your favorite Modena feature, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Culture for more exclusive rides. See you next time.